Hello and welcome to another edition of Brain Maths. In this video, we want to look at linear equations with fractions. If you look at the questions on the board, each one of them contains at least one fraction. Starting with question number 1, we have three different fractions here, and we want to find a way to write it in the form of a linear equation and then find the value of the given variable. So let's try to look at number 1. Number 1 says x over 3 plus x over 5 equals x over 2 minus 3. Now, this constant minus 3, you can just write it as 3 over 1 to make every one of them look like fractions. So the next thing we are going to do is to eliminate all the denominators. And how do we do that? We are going to find the value of the LCM of 3, 5, and 2. So the LCM of 3, 5, and 2 is 30. So we are going to multiply all of them by 30. So we say 30 times x over 3 plus 30 times x over 5 equals 30 times x over 2 minus 30 times 3 over 1. So let's eliminate the denominators. How many 3 in 3? 1. 3 in 30? 10. 5 in 5? 1. 5 in 30? 6. 2 in 2? 1. 2 in 30? 15. So the 1 remains. 1 in 30 will still give us 30. So 10 times x will give 10x plus 6 times x will give 6x equals 15 times x will give 15x minus 30 times 3, that will give 90. The next thing we are doing now is to collect like times, and that is by bringing this positive 15 to this side. The only way we could remove this is to subtract 15 from both sides, and that is 10x plus 6x minus 15x equals, the remaining figure here is minus 90. Don't make mistake of writing 90 because the sign in front of 90 is minus. So 10x plus 6x will give 16x. 16x minus 15x will giving us x, and that is x minus 90. So our answer for this question number 1 is actually x minus 90. Is 4 divided by 4 plus 3y minus 3 divided by y minus 2 all equals 0. So in order to solve this kind of problem, looking at the denominators, we are not having ordinary constant numbers, we are also having variables. So in this kind of situation, what we'll do is to move one of them outside so that they will be equal to each other. So the negative one, when it goes outside, it becomes positive. So we are going to be having 4 divided by 4 plus 3y equals to, the negative becomes positive outside, y minus 2. So now we can cross multiply, use the numerator to multiply the denominator on the right hand side, and use the numerator on the right hand side to multiply the denominator on the left hand side. So we have 4 on the left hand side multiplying the denominator on the right hand side, y minus 2 equals 3 on the right hand side multiplying the denominator on the left hand side, 4 plus 3y. The next thing is to open the brackets. So we have 4 times y to give 4y, 4 times minus 2 to give minus 8, and 3 times 4 to give 12, while 3 times plus 3y to give plus 9y. So the next thing is to collect like times. So we are bringing the positive 9 to this side. So we have 4y minus 9y, which is equal to 12. The positive 8, when it goes outside, it becomes negative. The negative 8 becomes positive. So we have 4 minus 9y, which is minus 5y, equals 12 plus 8, that is 20. We are looking for the value of y, and the coefficient of y is minus 5. So we use that to divide both sides, leaving us with y equals, how many 5 can we get in 20? That is 4. So not forgetting the negative, our answer for question number 2 is y equals minus 4. Question number 3 says m plus 1 over 2 equals 3 over 4 plus m over 4. Now this is a WAEC question, and it's a very simple question at that. What we have to do here is to eliminate the denominators by finding the LCM of all the denominators. The LCM of 2 and 4 is actually 4, so we multiply everything by 4. So we say 4 times m plus 4 times 1 over 2 equals 4 times 3 over 4 plus 4 times m over 4. So let's multiply out 4m plus how many 2 in 2? 1, 2 in 4, 2. 2 times 1, 2 equals 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 3, 3 plus 4 in 4, 1. 1 times m. So the next thing is to collect like times. We are bringing m to this side. We have 4m. It is positive here. It becomes minus m on this side. And we already have 3 on the right hand side. Taking the positive 2 to the other side will give us a negative 2. 4m minus m will give us 3m equals to 3 minus 2, 1. We are looking for the value of m. We have to divide both sides by the coefficient of m, which is 3. And by so doing, our m will be equals to 1 over 3. So the value of m for question number 3 is 1 over 3. I'm going to leave you with these two WAEC questions on linear equation with fractions. Don't forget to leave your answers in the comment sections, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Also help us to send the link of this video to as many schools and as many people as possible. Until I come your way on another edition of Brain Maths, remain blessed.